Well, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thanks for stopping in and checking out another one of my videos. I do so appreciate it. Today we're in BC. We're just outside of Kamloops. This is a little, I don't know, it's just a field, but it's like public property or whatever. Your fair use of it is camping. And usually, last time I was here, this whole place was just packed, lined up with campers. But today it's just me and a couple other people. We're in outside of BC, Kamloops. The oldest boy, he'd be like my stepson, but we're family. Known him since he was born. Very exciting day today. Just before Christmas, he had a baby, first baby of his marriage, and that's what we're here in BC for, is to go meet the new baby. Go meet Bodhi. This is awesome. Babies are always awesome. So today, we're just going to enjoy the day a little bit. Dylan's working, so we're going to go for barbecue tonight. I think we're going to drag out the motorcycle, and we got to run into town and get some supplies. But I think first, let's check out this little area here. We're going to fly the drone. This is like beautiful area. If you guys have never been out to BC, you guys have to come. Have to come. Man, I cannot get over how beautiful this area is, and to just find this spot in Overlander, free camping. So let's drag this motorcycle out and let's go for a rip around. Let's go see what we can see.
One day, like a tidal wave, a hurricane, like a thunderstorm, the pouring rain, it comes rolling in, and right away, oh, it hits you like a ton of lead. Oh yeah, it'll mess with your head. You won't know where to begin. You can't keep up, you fall behind. lost your aim, can't clear your mind. Like a fire burning wild, a freight train you can't stop. Like a nightmare, but this time you don't wanna wake up. It pulls you in, it takes over, you just can't let go of the worst, best thing that's ever happened to you. No, it can't be true. Maybe for someone else, but not for you. Still you pray that it'll stay and hit you harder, don't go away. Hit you deeper, running through your veins for one more day. Burning wild, a freight train you can't stop. Like a nightmare, but this time you don't wanna wake up. Pulls you in, it takes over, you just can't let go of the worst, best thing that's ever happened to you. Burning wild, a freight train you can't stop. Like a nightmare, but this time you don't wanna wake up. Like a fire burning wild, a freight train you can't stop. Like a nightmare, but this time you don't wanna wake up. It pulls you in, it takes over, you just can't let go of the worst, best thing that's ever happened to you. Oh, the worst, best thing.
To finish off this beautiful day, driving around in the mountains on the motorcycle, we had Dylan and Allie stop by for a barbecue, and they brought their new son, Bodhi. It's always awesome to be around a baby. And Bodhi's so cute.
First time I saw you, I was so nervous to talk. Happened so fast, went from so lonely to falling asleep in your arms. I used to be afraid to fall in love. My past relationship was a disaster, but now I don't care. 'Cause you took my scars, bruises and broken heart, numbed all the pain, showed me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore. Your smell wrapped in my bedsheets. Don't wanna
right, everyone. Thanks for checking out another one of my videos. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And until next time, stay safe. Have fun.
All of the wrong things, but you're always there to guide me. I used to be afraid to fall in love. A past relationship was a disaster.